Activating your Sofi debit card is a straightforward process that can be completed online or through the Sofi mobile app. To begin, ensure you have received your debit card in the mail and have your card information readily available. First, open the Sofi mobile app on your device and log in to your account using your username and password. If you do not have the app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or dashboard section, where you will find the option to activate your debit card. Click on this option and follow the prompts to enter your card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Alternatively, you can activate your debit card online by visiting the Sofi website and logging into your account. Click on the account settings or dashboard section, and then select the option to activate your debit card. Enter the required information and follow the prompts to complete the activation process. After entering your card information, you will be asked to create a PIN for your debit card. Choose a PIN that is unique and secure, and make sure to store it in a safe place. Once you have completed the activation process, your debit card will be ready to use. You can verify that your card is active by checking your account online or through the mobile app. It is essential to note that you may need to wait a few minutes for the activation to take effect. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, you can contact Sofi customer support for assistance. Best practices for activating your Sofi debit card include ensuring you are in a secure location when entering your card information and keeping your card and PIN in a safe place to prevent unauthorized use. By following these steps, you can easily activate your Sofi debit card and start using it for transactions. Remember to always keep your account information and card details secure to protect your account from unauthorized access.